Unit 1, page 9. A closer look 1. Activity 5. Listen and tick the words you hear. Repeat the words.
Answer. Away. Neighbour. Burn. Hurt. Heard. Birth. Common.
Activity 6. Listen again and put the words in the correct column.
Answer. Away. Neighbour. Burn. Hurt. Heard. Birth. Common.
Activity 7. Listen to the sentences and tick a or Practice the sentences.
1. His hobby is collecting toy cars. 2. My sister has a lot of photos. 3. When I have free time, I usually go surfing. 4. I love the colours in their paintings. 5. My friend has an unusual hobby, learning foreign languages.